Crypto investors, pay close attention. The market is evolving rapidly, and while opportunities are abundant, so are the risks. In today's video, we're diving into 10 huge warnings that every crypto holder needs to be aware of. If you're investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoins, these are crucial red flags that could affect your portfolio. Stay tuned until the end to safeguard your investments and make informed decisions. 1. Regulatory crackdowns. First on our list, regulatory crackdowns. Governments around the world are increasing their scrutiny on cryptocurrencies. From the SEC's ongoing lawsuits to China's continued bans, the landscape is becoming increasingly complicated. We've seen exchanges forced to delist tokens, investors losing access to their funds, and even taxation policies tightening. The big question is, are you prepared for regulatory changes? Insert clip of news report on crypto regulations. To stay ahead, make sure you're compliant with your country's regulations and keep an eye on upcoming legislation. Remember, ignorance is not an excuse when it comes to the law. 2. Exchange vulnerabilities. Next up, exchange vulnerabilities. Even the biggest platforms aren't immune to cyber attacks. In recent years, billions of dollars have been stolen from crypto exchanges, with users left devastated. Centralized exchanges hold your private keys, meaning if they get hacked, your funds could vanish overnight. To protect yourself, consider using hardware wallets and only keep small amounts of crypto on exchanges for trading purposes. Diversify your holdings across multiple platforms to minimize risk. 3. Market manipulation. Coming in at number 3 is market manipulation. The crypto market is still highly unregulated, which allows whales and insiders to manipulate prices through pump and dump schemes and wash trading. Remember those sudden price spikes? They're often engineered to trap retail investors. Always do your own research, and don't blindly follow hype or FOMO. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. 4. Security risks, scams and phishing attacks. Security risks are everywhere, especially in the form of scams and phishing attacks. Hackers are becoming more sophisticated, using fake websites, malicious emails, and social engineering to steal your funds. A single click on a bad link could compromise your entire portfolio. Double-check URLs, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Stay vigilant and skeptical of unsolicited offers. 5. Volatility and emotional investing. Crypto's extreme volatility is a double-edged sword. While it can lead to massive gains, it also means massive losses if you don't manage your emotions. Fear and greed are your worst enemies in investing. Have a solid strategy, set stop-loss orders, and don't let emotions dictate your trades. Remember, long-term success in crypto requires patience and discipline. 6. Token utility and hype projects. Many projects enter the market with grand promises but little real-world utility. Investing in meme coins and hype-driven projects without proper research can lead to financial disaster. Just because a token is trending doesn't mean it has a sustainable future. Analyze the team, roadmap, and actual use case before investing. Real utility drives long-term value, not just social media buzz. 7. Liquidity risks and rug pulls. Last but not least, liquidity risks and rug pulls. The DeFi space has introduced a new era of financial freedom, but it's also riddled with risks. Projects with low liquidity can experience extreme price swings, and in the worst-case scenario, developers can drain funds and disappear overnight. Always verify liquidity, read smart contract audits, and avoid projects with anonymous teams or unrealistic promises. 8. Privacy concerns. Another major warning, privacy concerns. Blockchain transactions are traceable, and without proper precautions, your financial activity could be exposed. Governments and agencies are increasingly monitoring crypto transactions. Consider using privacy-focused coins or mixing services, but always remain within legal boundaries to protect your identity. 9. Smart contract risks. Smart contracts are powerful but not foolproof. Coding errors and exploits have resulted in massive losses for investors. Even well-known projects have fallen victim to smart contract vulnerabilities. Always check for audits and avoid interacting with contracts that haven't been thoroughly reviewed. If you're unsure, stay cautious. 10. Project leadership and roadmap execution. Lastly, consider the leadership behind a project. Poor management, internal conflicts, or lack of roadmap execution can spell disaster for any cryptocurrency. Many projects start strong but fail due to weak leadership. Follow the development progress closely and watch for red flags such as missed deadlines or frequent leadership changes. There you have it, 10 huge warnings every crypto holder should take seriously. The crypto space is full of opportunities, but without the right precautions, it can be a risky game. Let me know in the comments which warning concerns you the most. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful crypto content. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.